Welcome to the dashboard tutorial. This guide is designed to help you navigate and make the most of our user-friendly and powerful dashboard. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user of the Health Leap Home Exercise Program Creator, this tutorial will provide you with step-by-step instructions and tips to effectively utilize the various features and tools available. Let's get started. 1. Start by navigating to the login page of our website, thehealthleap.ca. 2. To access the dashboard, you'll need to log in with your username and password and click Login. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up by clicking the Create an Account link on the homepage. 3. Use your preferred multi-factor authentication app to generate a one-time passcode. Enter the one-time passcode and click Verify OTP. 4. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access all the features and tools available on our site. 5. Below are 2 videos to help you get started. Bottom left video, How to Use HEP Creator, provides step-by-step tutorial videos from creating an account to generating customized home exercise program PDFs for your patients and clients. Bottom right video, What's Inside, showcases exercise categories available in the database and announcements of new online courses available on Udemy. Additionally, the platform will highlight health and fitness professionals who have made significant contributions to the exercise database, showcasing their expertise and the variety of exercises they have provided. 6. The upper right profile photo, featuring your company logo, provides links to access your profile and account settings, as well as an option to log out from your account. In the Account Settings menu, you can customize your user preferences and update your profile information, and manage security settings such as changing your password. 7. The upper left box named Exercises displays the latest 3 exercises added to the database. You can click the View button next to each exercise to see specific details. Click View All to access the entire exercise database. 8. The upper right box, named My Routines, shows the latest 3 exercise routines you have created and saved. You can view and edit each routine by clicking View next to it. Click View All to see all your routines. Note that free plans are limited to only 3 saved routines, while monthly or annual plans offer unlimited saved routines. 9. Click the 3 small horizontal lines on the top left side of the Health Leap logo to toggle the navigation bar visibility. 10. On the left side of your screen, you'll find the navigation menu. This menu is your gateway to different sections such as Dashboard, where you are currently at; Exercise, the complete exercise database; My Routines, the complete list of all your created exercise routines; Billing, your billing account information; Sign Out, a logging off link located at the very bottom. This website dashboard serves as a comprehensive and user-friendly tool designed to streamline your online activities. The features enhance productivity and decision-making. Our dashboard not only simplifies data management, but also empowers users to make informed decisions swiftly. Thank you for exploring our website dashboard. We hope this tutorial helps you get started and leverage all the powerful features available. Should you have any questions or need further assistance, our support team is always here to help. Let's dive in and start using your dashboard.